can be a visit to a place that involves a journey for pleasure or a particular purpose. Trip can also mean to hit something with your foot by accident so that you fall or almost fall. Let's try one last example. Lie.
Mei Hui and Shereen are chatting about what they did during the weekends. Then Mei Hui asked Shereen,
"Is my hair nice?" "Oh, your hair is very nice."
but actually,
"Yucks, her hair is so ugly."
Shereen lied.
Let's take a look at another meaning to lie.
Leonard lies on a bench after a tiring day at work.
What's happening? Shereen is not telling the truth. And by not telling the truth, she's telling a lie about Mei Hui's hair looking very nice. Leonard, on the other hand, is tired, so he went to lie down. So, you see, lie can mean not telling the truth and also putting yourself in a horizontal position. Therefore, lie is a homonym. Now for some fun! Yay! Here's a little quiz for you. Show us what you've learned today. Question 1. What are homonyms? Do you remember? Homonyms have A. Same pronunciation but different spellings. B. Same meaning but different spellings and pronunciations. Or C. Same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. The answer is option C. Homonyms are words with the same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. Question 2. Which of these are not homonyms? A. Lie. B. Bet. C. Glove. Or D. Lap. Time's up! Let's see if you've managed to get it right. C is the correct answer. I hope you've got it right. Now let's take a look at each option. Lie can be, number 1, something that is untrue. For instance, Kenny told a lie to get out of trouble. Or number 2, lie can also be to be or put yourself in a flat or horizontal position. For instance, Annie was asked to lie down flat on her stomach. Bet can be, number 1, a piece of wood with a handle used for hitting the ball in games like baseball and table tennis. For example, the coach told his players to hit the ball as hard as they could with the bat. Secondly, an animal like a mouse with wings that flies and feeds at night. For instance, the flying bats gave Sally a shock as she entered the cave. Lap. Lap can be, number 1, the top part of your legs that forms a flat surface when you sit. For instance, she sat with her hands on her lap. Number 2, one journey from the beginning to the end of a track, used for sports such as running and swimming. For example, Francis was elated when he set the fastest lap in the race. However, glove can only be a covering for the hand with separate parts for each finger. For instance, Melissa wears gloves whenever she visits a winter country. With only one meaning for glove, it cannot be a homonym. Question 3. In what way is the word channel a homonym? Did you manage to find the different meanings of channel? Channel can mean the television channel, for instance, or secondly, channel could also mean the bed of a stream, river, or other waterways. Question 4. Which of the following uses the homonym trunk incorrectly? A. The elephant drinks from its trunk. B. David has packed his trunk for the trip. C. Joe had to make a trunk call to Japan. D. Tina trunks the ball into the basket. The answer is D. Trunk is not a verb, and therefore it cannot describe an action. Also, the meanings of trunk include, number 1, a trunk call being a long-distance call. Number 2, the long, flexible, cylindrical nasal appendage of the elephant. And number 3, a large compartment, usually in the rear of an automobile, in which luggage, a spare tire, and other articles may be kept. One last question. Question 5. How many meanings are there to the word bank?